So our skate guard, I went and picked her up, and she's gonna have a look at her daughter, just to make sure that she's okay. You don't want to fool around with a head injury, especially at the frontal lobe. And if she is able to help or make some good advice, I'd be really happy about that. Okay, now we are headed down the ice after doing our good deed for the day. So, now that I've seen what type of falls are possible, really, really important to Street Sweater's doing a great job. Really nice to have them. You know, when accidents like what I saw happen, when you need emergency help, it's really nice to have the police there. So, for younger kids on the canal, I've just realized it is very important to have that faceplate, the mesh on the helmet, so that if they do have a frontal fall like that, their foreheads can't be hurt. First time I've seen that, so I'm glad I could share that with you. Having a helmet isn't enough. Having a helmet with a front mesh plate is key. Always have to be aware. Kids can cross in front of you at any time, at any moment. Just to suddenly change your direction because they can. And our youngest Senator hockey player looks good. Oh, this ice going with the wind is wonderful. Just having some fun. Let's just right on the ice. Yeah. You cannot be too aware on the canal. Ice condition today is fantastic. Here's our entrance to the University of Ottawa. That is the perfect family going ice skating. Mom, Dad, and kids holding hands. Oh, someone else is down. And here we go. As the crowd gathers, an emergency worker comes in. And that is just very important for everyone. She'll take control and they'll hopefully be okay. Okay. Yeah, from 5 years old to 45 years old. One has to be very, very attentive on the canal. It can happen so quickly. It's fun, but it can be dangerous too.